Hey guys, how are you doing? Back here with another quick unboxing and review. LED floodlight sent over to me by a seller in Amazon. Box is how it is, but surprisingly, you'll see in a moment how good it works. Manual up front. Next is a bracket in case you want to install it in a tube and not on the wall. And then is the light itself and a template if you want to install it on the wall, so that way you don't have to be guessing where the screws go. But that's it in the box. But in the front is the sensor dusk to dawn, so it'll turn on when it's not dark and turn off when it's daylight. And on the bottom you have, if you want to hang it in the pole, an opening for you to run your pole from it. But to get to the main wires to connect it is this back plate right here that has 4 screws. So once you remove the screws, make sure you don't lose them, because obviously you need to put them back on. Ha ha ha. Anyways, usually when you see the way I'm gonna do it is gonna be not gonna be hardwired. I'm gonna use an outlet plug to connect it. But inside you have the hot wire, which is black, and a neutral. And you do not see a ground wire, because pretty much if you're gonna install it on the wall, that's pretty much already ground. But nowadays you don't see it. But anyways, this is the cable that I'm gonna use. The fat head is the one with stripes. You can tell the difference. And the flat head is the one that has no stripes. So stripes is hot, no stripes is neutral. So that's how we're gonna connect it and hope nothing burns. Anyways, I'm gonna strip my wire right here for this one, hot and then neutral, and we're gonna use the provided connections to put them together, obviously. Thank you very much. Anyways, again, stripes is hot, which is the black wire, and the no stripes is the white wire, which is neutral. So again, you could do it this 2 different ways. You could either hardwire it directly to power, or you could use a plug like I'm doing right here. So you could just plug it into an outlet. Okay, so cross your fingers and let's hope nothing blows up, which you shouldn't if I'm correct, but yeah. So there it is. We got lucky, I guess. Anyways, you can't tell right here that it's bright, but there you go. When it hits light, it turns off. When it's dark, it turns on. So we're gonna take it outside so you guys can see how bright it is. And like I said, it's a floodlight, and I think it's like $20-something, and it uses only 25 watts of power. So we're gonna take it outside and you guys can see how bright it is. Right now you can't really tell that well, but let's take it outside, and boom, look at this, can you see how bright this thing is? It could light up your whole front yard, only one light. Bam. Look at my decorations. Look, sir. Anyways, link in the description down below. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more how-to and tech videos.